Okay, so now after creating call to action button, we will move to create our services section. For this, go back to your website. Now I will add a new section for this. I will hover over here and then click on this blue plus button. Now add a regular section. Now before adding a row, go to section settings, click on this gear button, go to design and open spacing. Now here add 80 pixels of top and bottom padding. Now click on this tick button, click on this plus button and add a single row. Now take a look at demo site. Here you can see we have this our services button or a text module. So I will not add any button, I will add a text module. Now here I will add text. Now go to background, click on this plus button and add background color. I have added this color. Now click on this tick button and go to design. Open text settings. First of all, I will make it Roboto. Now change the text font style. I will make it uppercase and then change its color to blue. I will select this custom blue color. Now in text size I will make it 16 pixels and line height I will change it to 1.8 em. Now scroll down, go to sizing. In sizing I will make maximum width to 140 pixels and then make it center aligned. Now scroll down, go to spacing. I will make 8 pixels to the top and bottom padding and 15 pixels to the left side. Now go to border section and add 3 pixels of radius or border corners on 4 sides. Now I am done with this, so I will click on this tick button. So now after creating this button, we will add this heading. For this, go back to editor, hover over this section and then click on this plus button. Add a text module and paste your text in it. I'll paste my text and select the HTML tag of H2. Now go to design, heading text. I will go to H2 tab. I will change its font to Roboto. Now scroll down. I will make it center aligned. I'll change its color to dark black. Change its size to 28 pixels and line height to 1.3 em. Now go to spacing. Here I will add 10 pixels of bottom padding. Now click on this tick button. Now I have created this top button text and heading. Now we will create these boxes. Now for this I will add another row. Click on this blue button and select a 3 column row. Now add blur B module. Now at the top I will add my title. I will use a dummy text. You can use your own text that you want to add. I will delete the description. Now go to images and icon. Here you can use an image or an icon. So I want to use an icon, so I will enable this section and search for an icon. I will use this icon. Now scroll down. Here is the background. Click on it and choose a background color. I will use this background color. Now go to design, image and icon. I will change the icon color to the white. Now scroll down. Image icon placement. I will place it to the left side. I will change its width to 50 pixels. Go to title settings and then I will go to H4 tab. Here I will change font to Roboto. Scroll down. Here I will change its color to white. Now under this I will change the line height to 1.3 em. Now go to spacing and I will add 30 pixels of padding on all four sides. Now go to border and I will add 4 pixels of border radius or rounded corners. Now I will go back to title text and I will enable underline. Now the text appears in underline. Now collapse this section and then I will go to transform. Now here first of all I will enable hover. So I will click on this arrow so the hover appears. Now I will go to hover and make it zoom to 102 pixels. Now when you hover over it, it zoomed in 2 pixels, 2%. Now go to advanced, open custom CSS and scroll down. Here is the blur B title. I will click on it and I will paste this code. Now I will go back to design section and enable box shadow and I will select this shadow. Now scroll down and I will change this shadow color. I pasted the shadow color code and I will click on this tick button. Now I am done with this section, so I will click on this tick button. Now let's visit demo site. Here you can see the second blur B background is white. So I will go back to editor and duplicate this blur B and drag it to the next column. Now I will edit it. Now here you can change its title, but I have used a dummy, so I will not change it. I will go to images and icons and I will change the icon. I will search an icon, select an icon and scroll down to the background and I will change background color to the white. Now go to design. Here in image and icon I will change the icon color to black. Now collapse this section and go to title text. Now scroll down. Here I will change the title text color to black. Now it will appear like that. Now click on this tick button. Go to demo site. Here you can see I have used 6 blur Bs. So go back to your editor, duplicate this first one and drag this module to the third column. Now click on this gear button, change the title if you want and go to image and icon. I will change the icon. I will select this icon and click on this tick button. Now I will add 3 more blur Bs, so I will click on this plus button to add a new row and I will select a row with 3 columns. Now I will duplicate this white background blur B 2 times and drag it to the first and last column. Now I will duplicate this blue backgrounded blur B and drag it to the center column. Now I have completed 3 blur Bs. So first of all, editing these 3, I will edit the rows. Go to second row. Click on gear button. Go to design, sizing and use custom gutter width. Enable it and make it 2 pixels. Now after adding sizing, go to spacing and add 15 pixels of top padding. Now click on this tick button and edit these blur Bs. So I will click on first one, click on gear icon Here you can change the title. I will just change the icon. So I will click on this one, image and icon section, search for icon. I will select this icon and click on this tick button. Go to centered column, click on gear button, collapse the text section and go to image and icon. Search for icon. I will select this icon and click on this tick button. Now go to final one. Open the settings. Collapse the text section and go to image and icon. Now change the icon here. I will select this icon and click on this tick button. Now this section was successfully completed. Now I will update the page. So click on these three dots and save the page. Now the page was successfully updated. To take a live preview, click on this exit visual builder button. Now scroll down. Here you can see you have successfully added our services. Now hover over it, it will zoomed in 2%. Now in the next topic, I will show you how to add Why Choose Us section in your WordPress in your page using Divi. So keep following our videos to get to know how to create full website using Divi Builder.